What's up guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I'm starting it with an unboxing. I was sharp, I don't know why. It's just me. I'm starting with an unboxing. I've got some sneakers from Sneakers and Stuff down here. I'm going to open it now because it's quite a big box, isn't it? And show you my sneakers. So
You shouted at me for opening that like that.
yeah?
You shouted at me for opening that like that.
Why?
Towards myself.
I know, I didn't mean to open it towards myself. I do apologise. Okay, so first up we have quite a heavy box. We got that at the front, a pair of Kyrie 3s. I like the box.
He ain't keeping it.
He is. We're going to flatten it down. We got those. The hot, what colour are they actually? What's the actual colour? Team Red, Hot Punch and White. Very nice. No, feel it back.
Feel back. Are they right good if you've got an itchy hand?
Let's get a chance on it.
Oh, itchy.
Oh, sorry.
Heavy.
Well. Yep. So got those. Oh, was going to get some Kyrie in Mexico, wasn't I? Don't think they had my size, so got some now. I like them. I like the box. Just saying.
Keeping it.
Just saying, I like the box. I'm going to try and keep it if she don't notice it. I got another pair. Thank God for Sneakers and Stuff having a sale. I've got a pair of Jordan 1 Retro Highs in deep royal black and white. My receipt. Some of those. Pair of Jordan 1s. I've not actually ever owned a pair of Jordan 1s, so I'm finally glad that I'm glad I'm finally getting some. Have a look.
That's scrap, man.
Might be. Yeah, we've got scrap on outside as well.
Yeah, they're cool.
They're cool. So, I do believe they are patent leather. Is it patent leather that's shiny? Yeah, they're patent leather.
Very well painted.
Might be patent, I might be wrong, I don't know. But, got those, so they were a sale on Sneakers and Stuff, they did 20% off if you bought 2 pair. So I did that. So there we are. Obviously, standard Jordan box. It's a bit dusty. It's been sat a while. We also have now a box for moving. So, yeah, so we're moving. We've finally found a place and we've got a moving date, which is the 24th. We're going to measure up on Wednesday for the sofa and the curtains and the...
I need to make sure the sideboard and TV unit's going to fit.
Yeah, we'll measure the space basically. So...
Yeah. Like bed and stuff, all that.
Yeah, we're going to measure up to make sure that everything fits.
Make sure I need to get nothing new.
Yeah. So this week will mostly involve probably looking at stuff for the new house and other bits. I've got a gaming video coming very soon. I just need to get it off the PlayStation and put it on. And I think that's it. Don't think I've missed out. I think you're all caught up for now.
Are we showing around the house when we go to measure up?
Yeah, show them around the house when we measure up.
I quite like a before and after when we've decorated and stuff.
So I'll show you around the house when we go there on Wednesday. But for now, I'm going to go get a new tyre because mine's knackered, and do some other bits before I go to work in a few hours. So I'll see you all in a bit. What's up everybody? Welcome to Thursday. As you can see behind me, we are in the process of packing and moving, and it's just mental in here. We've got part way down it, moving 18 days we move. 18 days? Roughly 18 days. So I'm just editing a gameplay video for my other set of videos. My gaming videos are going to be separate to my vlog videos. They're going to be on the same channel for now, but they're going to be one in the vlogging, one in the gaming. So any suggestions for games you want me to see? I know that there's some wanted me to do Andromeda, but I'll get it back. Tomb Raider, things like that. Suggest a game, and if I've got it, I'll go get it and play it, and we'll do it like that. So just bring you up to speed with what's happening. And I've done work. I'm working Saturday, bit of OT, bit more money. I think that's it. Charlotte is at work. It's my turn for tea duty. It's a warm one today. It's rather very warm. So, like I said, there's not a great deal for me else to say at the moment, so I'll speak to you all in a bit. So guys, the new video is now up, or it's actually going to be in about 5 seconds. There you go. It is a gaming video, it's not a vlog, so if you're into gaming, have a check out. If you're into gaming, check it out. If not, then it's not for you, fair enough. I'm going to go make some tea as soon as this uploads. I'll see you all when Charlotte gets in. Actually, got a bit red. What's up guys? It is Monday, it is sweltering still, and we are going to bed all. So